From the very first moment you see this camper van, you know it is different from any normal vehicle. It does not try to look flashy or fancy, but it commands attention. The stance is wide, the body strong, and the 6 wheels sitting firmly on the ground give it a presence that cannot be ignored. You can almost feel that this vehicle is ready for adventure the moment it starts moving. The design is clean, the lines are simple, but every detail serves a purpose. The matte metallic paint gives it a rugged but premium look, and the way the light reflects off the surface shows the quality of the materials. It is clear that this camper van is not just about looking good. It is built to work hard, travel far, and go where most vehicles cannot. As you walk around the exterior, the first thing that catches your attention is the front grille. It is bold and protective, built to take hits from rocks or debris without damage. The bumper is heavy-duty, strong, and functional. It does not just sit there to look tough. It is made for real-world use. The LED headlights are sharp and clear, designed to illuminate dark roads, forest trails, or deserts at night. Their brightness is perfect, enough to see far ahead without blinding oncoming traffic. Even the smaller details, like the reinforced corners and the roof-mounted solar panels, are made with purpose. The solar panels are not for decoration. They provide electricity for lights, charging ports, and small appliances inside the camper, making it self-sufficient in remote areas. One of the most impressive things about this 6-wheel configuration is the 6-wheel all-terrain tires. Unlike a standard 4-wheel van, these 6 all-terrain tires provide incredible stability and traction. On sand, mud, snow, or rocky trails, the 6 wheels keep the vehicle steady. The weight is evenly distributed, and the reinforced suspension ensures that passengers inside feel only a smooth ride. No bump, hole, or uneven path can shake this van. Even on steep inclines or uneven surfaces, the van feels planted, like it belongs on these roads. The tires themselves are large and durable. Each wheel grips the surface perfectly, whether it's wet, loose, or rough. When driving through a muddy path, you can feel that the tires bite into the ground instead of spinning uselessly. On sandy paths, the van moves forward without getting stuck. The suspension absorbs shocks without bouncing passengers around, which is one of the most important aspects of off-road travel. For long journeys across rough terrain, this kind of stability makes all the difference between a stressful ride and a comfortable adventure. The side profile of the camper van shows how well proportioned it is. Nothing looks stretched or awkward. The vehicle has a presence that is commanding yet balanced. Side ladders give easy access to the roof, which is useful not just for checking the solar panels, but also for reaching storage areas or enjoying a higher view of the surroundings. The rear storage boxes are strong and practical, designed to carry tools, camping gear, or extra supplies. They're easily accessible and well protected, which is important on long trips. Driving this camper van off-road is an experience. It is not about speed, it's about control and confidence. The engine provides smooth and steady power. There's no sudden jerk when you press the pedal. This smooth acceleration helps maintain balance and keeps passengers comfortable. On steep climbs, the van does not struggle. It keeps moving at a controlled pace, showing that it is built for adventure, not speed. The brakes are powerful and responsive, which is very important for a vehicle of this size when traveling downhill or on loose surfaces. Even though the camper van is heavy, it does not feel unstable. Every part, from the suspension to the tires to the chassis, works together to give a confident, calm drive. On highways, the van feels calm and stable. The ride is smooth and the handling is surprisingly agile for a vehicle of this size. It is not a sports car, but it doesn't need to be. The power and control are enough to keep drivers confident at speeds up to 90 or 100 miles per hour. In off-road conditions, speed is not the goal. The 6-wheel drive, reinforced suspension, and all-terrain tires make sure the van stays on the path, even in mud, sand, or gravel. Step inside, and the camper van continues to impress. The interior feels like a small, comfortable home. The lounge area is cozy without being cramped. The seats are soft but supportive, perfect for long hours of travel. The materials are high quality and durable, designed to withstand daily use and exposure to dirt from off-road trips. The lighting is soft and warm, creating a relaxing atmosphere after a long day on rough trails. Windows allow natural light to fill the space during the day, making the lounge feel open and airy. Within the lounge, there is a small kitchen. It is compact but functional. There's a counter for preparing simple meals, a cooking area, and storage for utensils and food. Everything is placed within easy reach, making it practical for cooking while traveling. The kitchen is not oversized because it doesn't need to be. The space is smartly designed to maximize comfort and utility without wasting room. The driver cabin is built for comfort and control. The steering wheel feels strong and responsive. The dashboard is simple and easy to understand, and all controls are placed for easy reach. Visibility is excellent, which is crucial when navigating off-road paths or tight trails. The mirrors are positioned to give a clear sense of the vehicle's size, helping the driver avoid obstacles. The seats are comfortable and supportive, helping reduce fatigue during long drives. After long off-road adventures, the bathroom is simple, functional, and practical. Located next to the lounge, it includes a compact commode with tissue, enough room to move comfortably, and surfaces that are easy to clean. The lighting is bright enough for practical use without being harsh. While it is not luxurious, it does everything needed to make off-road travel convenient and comfortable. Above the lounge area, there is a small bedroom with a single bed. The bed is compact but comfortable, designed to fit the space without making it feel cramped. After long days of adventure, it provides a place to rest and relax. The soft lighting and cozy materials create a peaceful environment for sleep. Storage compartments and cabinets are smartly placed throughout the camper van, giving space for clothes, gear, and other essentials. This organization helps keep the interior tidy even during long trips. Safety is built into every part of the camper van. The frame is strong, the body reinforced, and the six-wheel system adds stability. In off-road conditions, these features protect passengers and provide peace of mind. The braking system is reliable and responsive, and the tires are designed to handle all types of terrain. The van feels like a strong and trusted companion, ready to handle whatever the road throws at it. Technology inside the camper van is simple and functional. It is designed to help, not confuse. The controls are easy to understand, making the camper van accessible for people of all ages. Even for young travelers or new drivers, it is easy to learn and operate. The real joy of this camper van is how calm it feels, even in challenging conditions. Whether it's a muddy jungle trail, sandy desert path, or rocky hillside, the van does not panic. It moves steadily, giving the driver control and passengers comfort. Every journey, whether short or long, feels safe and controlled. The estimated price for a camper van of this quality, with six-wheel drive, off-road capability, and high-end interior, is between $250,000 and $350,000 US. This is a premium price, but it reflects the quality, strength, and utility of the vehicle. You are not just paying for looks, you are paying for durability, performance, and comfort. This camper van is perfect for people who love adventure, long trips, and nature. It is designed to go where normal vehicles cannot. It is not just a vehicle, it is a home, a vehicle, and a partner on the road. Whether crossing deserts, mountains, or forests, it is built to take care of its passengers. When you see it driving on rough trails, you understand why it is special. It is calm, strong, and confident. It does not try to be something it is not. It focuses on being reliable, safe, and comfortable. It is a camper van for real adventures, not just city roads or easy trips. In the end, this Toyota 6x6 camper van is more than just a vehicle. It is a complete package for those who seek freedom and adventure. It is strong outside, comfortable inside, and capable everywhere in between. It is a motorhome that protects, supports, and travels with you no matter how rough the road is. It is not flashy, it doesn't need to be. Its presence, performance, and comfort speak for themselves. For those who value reliability, adventure, and real off-road capability, this camper van is a perfect choice. It is ready for anything, and it makes every journey possible. Every detail, from the reinforced suspension to the 6 all-terrain tires, from the LED headlights to the soft interior lighting, is designed with one goal in mind: to make off-road travel safe, comfortable, and enjoyable. It is a motorhome that works as hard as its passengers want it to, providing freedom and comfort on every journey. This is the kind of vehicle that makes you want to explore more, to go further, and to experience the world without limits. It is strong, reliable, and built to last, and that's what makes it truly special. It is not just a camper van. It is a home, a vehicle, and adventure partner all in one.